Hello everyone, my name is Prem Patil. I am from NTTF Murbad. My course name is Diploma in Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing. So today I am going to explain you about EDM drilling machines. So first of all, what is EDM drilling machine? An EDM drilling machine is a specialized used tool in a manufacturing industry to create holes in hard materials such as metals. The cutting tool used in this machining process is of very softer materials such as brass, zinc, and copper. History of EDM machines. In 1943, Soviet scientists B.R. Lazarenko and N.I. Lazarenko were investigating ways to prevent the erosion of tungsten electrical contacts due to sparking. So they found that if they can provide no contact between cutting tool and workpiece, it can be very preventively do machining on any type of workpiece. How it works. This machine uses electrical discharges to cut the material and form the desired hole shape. The workpiece and electrode are merged with each other in a dielectric fluid, which helps to cool the process and removes burrs. It is burr-free machining process. Types of EDMs: RAM EDM, wire EDM, whole power EDM, and spark EDMs. These are various types of EDM machines. Application of EDM machines in aerospace industries, medical industries, and automotive industries. In aerospace, it is used for drilling cooling holes in turbine blades. In medical, creating precise holes in surgical instruments. Automotive manufacturing of injecting nozzles. Advantages of EDM. It provides high degree of precision, can done on any type of material, no mechanical stress on machine, can done on any complex shapes, no bursts provided. Disadvantages of EDM machine. Slow process, conductive materials only, high cost, tool wear, high power consumption. This machining process is very slow. It can be done on only conductive materials only. Thank you.